To become what you are and to be capable of what you are becoming. That is the secret to a happy life. For every living soul of their own talent, perseverance in it. So don't be afraid. Just be yourself. A glamorous evening to each and every one of you. My name is Kevin Santelian, one of the most lovable, humble, kissable in Santellan clan. A graduate student of Lyceum of the Philippines University in Intramuros, Manila, taking up Bachelor of Science in Tourism, major in Travel and Tour Operation. But tonight, please don't allow me to stand by the name. Opo, ako nga po ang nag-iisang Grazilda. At ang may brilyante ng apoy, sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan si Binibining Glyza De Castro. Glyza De Castro na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang pasintabi lang po sa mga kabataan. Kung ang mga kalalakihan ay tinaguri ang aswang at kung ang mga kababaihan naman tinaguri ang white lady. Kami naman pong mga kabaklaan ay tawagin yung tik-tik. Tik-tik, tik-tik, tik-tik na kahit kailan hindi ka kain ng mabahong tik-tik. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi. Happy Fiesta po.
Once again, our candidate number 3, Glyza De Castro. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our third candidate. And now, let's go on our fourth